friend, good afternoon. Marian Santos of Potentials.com signing at our channel. Let's study God's Word. So, ang didakin natin today is what fascinates you. Bible verse niya is from Mark 8 verse 21. He said to them, "Do you still not understand?" So, the one who wrote today's story is si Brother Drew Cosio. Hindi natin alam kung anong feast ni Brother Drew, but yung story niya today is about yung kanyang 2-year-old son which he brought to the market one Sunday to, parang sabi niya nga, to orient him what a market looks like. So, pinakita niya yung mga fruits, like banana, vegetables, diba? Apple, sabi niya ganun. Cabbage, with all the sounds, no? So, when they went back to the car, so, pinagmalaki niya sa kanyang wife and 4-year-old daughter that they had a school day at the market today ng kanyang son. So, tinanong niya, Pio, that's the name of the, no? What did you learn sa market today? So, sabi ni Pio is, angaw. What's angaw? Flies, no? So, sabi ni Brother Drew, do we still not understand that God shows us His blessing and miracles every day? But, nagpo-focus pa rin tayo sa mga things that troubles us. Like, yun nga, yung mga langaw na nakaka-irritate sa atin. Yun ang nakita nung son ni Brother Drew over the so many things na tinuro niya about apples, banana, cabbage, no? So, lahat ng mga things in the market, hindi natandaan ni Pio. Natandaan ni Pio yung angaw, no? So, sabi niya, look past the troubles. Instead, let God's amazing mercy and grace fascinates you. Open your eyes to your life's blessing today. Count them, name them, because God is and still will always be good. So yan. So sinasabi ni Brother Drew, let's focus on the blessings that we have over the things that irritates or troubles us. So ang prayer natin, dear Lord, I pray I may not miss the amazing display and experience of your love for me and my family today. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.